This creamy boneless chicken curry is so smooth, rich and full of flavor. Once you try it, you'll never order from a restaurant again.